Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Hazrat Rifa'a Qurayzi radiyallahu anhu gave his wife irrevocable divorce. She thereafter married Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu. She then entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, I was married to Hazrat Rifa'a radiyallahu anhu. He gave me last 3 divorces. I then married Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu, and by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, she holding the corner of her shadow, said, what he has is like the corner of a cloth. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam smiled and then said, perhaps you wish to rejoin Rifa'a. No, it cannot be, until he relishes your sweetness and you relish his sweetness. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu was sitting along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, and Hazrat Khalid bin Saeed bin As radiyallahu anhu was sitting at the apartment door waiting for permission. Hazrat Khalid radiyallahu anhu then said to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu aloud, O Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, why do you not reprimand this woman who is raising her voice in the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam? Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3513.